Hey guys, so it's Harrison again. I'm just sitting here, a bag of nerves to be honest with you, because over the last year I've been filming a reality TV show and I'm actually sat down for the first time now about to watch myself come on the TV and I don't really know how to think, so I'm just nervous. So I know I'm going to probably cringe, but it should be funny. So here we go, guys. Like, how do you watch yourself on TV? Do you know what I mean? Oh my god, I'm gonna be ill now. I'm dying. Oh my god, I can't listen to myself. I'm cringing. Oh my god. It's true what they say, the camera does put on £5. So, I've just finished watching the reality TV show that I'm starring in, seeing myself on TV for the first time. It's such a surreal feeling. And looking on there now, I look really happy, but obviously again, I'm wearing a hat, which is such a burden for me over this whole series. And literally, I literally cannot wait to have this hair system put in place. Literally, like, I'm counting down the seconds because having hair is such a big issue for me. I've always had loads of hair, and since I've gotten to like 25, I've started to lose it all. And I hate it. I'm in such a bad place with my hair. So yeah, I know it's going to make me much happier, much more confident, and I literally can't wait to start working with Hair For All. So, exciting things to come, guys. Speak to you soon.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.